how to log in to IGG account. So if you want to log in to IGG account, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and go for the search bar and search for IGG. And after searching, you can go for the first search, which is www.igg.com. And now you can simply go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Now you have to first enter your email address, or you can also enter your username instead of your email address. And then on the next blank, you have to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option, which is here. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.